It's been raining since few days and I was thinking which skill should I learn next. That's when I saw this. Imagine someone walking on the streets and doing this. At that same time it was raining. So I came next day. I don't have any umbrella, so I borrowed this and this is what I got. Please don't laugh. I threw the umbrella but it was locked, so I had to unlock it before throwing. I was disappointed not because this video has ended before it has even started, but also I had to return the umbrella to its owner. But somehow I was able to solve the problem. Umbrella is being damaged by this way, so I decided to change the trick. It's much better and it looks cool. My goal is to catch the umbrella 3 times in a row. I don't know why it falls like this. Is it some kind of physics? Let me know in the comments section. I think it's a nice way to catch an umbrella like this in front of your friends. Here we go. Guys, it was almost perfect. I think it's enough because I have to return this umbrella to its owner.